Now let's talk about how to earn from your resume. Did you know that you can actually make money by creating resumes for other people? It's a great way to use your skills and earn some extra income on the side. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make a great resume and how you can earn from it. A good resume can be the key to unlocking great job opportunities and ultimately achieving your career goals. So let's dive right in. Head over to canva.com and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. I will put the link on the description box below. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Canva homepage. I'll show you how to create a professional-looking resume in just a few easy steps. To create a resume, click on the Create a Design button in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up a list of templates that you can use as a starting point for your resume. Scroll down until you find the Resumes category and select a template that catches your eye. Canva offers a wide variety of templates, so take your time to choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've selected a template, you'll be taken to the Canva editor. Here, you can customize your resume by adding your own information, changing the colors, and adjusting the layout to your liking. To add your information, simply click on the text boxes and start typing. You can add your name, contact information, work experience, education, skills, and any other relevant information you want to include on your resume. To change the color, click above here. You can lighten or darker and anything you want the color. Once you're happy with your resume, you can download it by clicking on the Download button in the top right corner of the screen. Canva offers a variety of file formats, including PDF, JPG, and PNG, so choose the one that works best for you. There are a number of websites and freelance platforms where you can find resume writing jobs. Some popular sites include Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and Freelancer. You can also market your services on social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagrams, and YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more job hunting and career development tips. Thanks for watching.